Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled to find a liner that stays put from morning to night, without smudging, fading, or making you look like a raccoon, this one might just be the answer to your prayers. Today, we're talking about the Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Liquid Eyeliner, which promises to be waterproof, long-wearing, and smudge-proof. But does it live up to all the hype? Stick around to find out. Now, this eyeliner is designed to deliver intense black color with just a single swipe, and it's housed in a sleek, easy-to-hold pen form. The Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner promises to glide on smoothly and effortlessly for a precise, bold line that lasts all day without any smudging or fading. Its waterproof formula means it should hold up even in the most humid or rainy conditions, ideal for those with busy schedules or oily eyelids. In terms of ingredients, the formula boasts long-lasting pigmentation, which is essential for a liquid liner that stays intact throughout the day. It's designed to resist fading even when exposed to sweat, humidity, or water, making it a great pick for the summer months. The natural finish is a nice touch too, giving you a classic soft look without the high gloss of some other liners. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. I've tested this liner in a few different settings, throughout a long workday, during a workout, and even on a day at the pool, and it really held up. The Too Faced Better Than Sex liner glides on so smoothly with no skipping, which I appreciate because we all know how annoying it is when liquid liner dries up or tugs at the skin. It feels incredibly light, so it doesn't weigh down my lids or cause any discomfort. The precision tip makes it easy to get that sharp, winged look or to fill in any gaps in between your lashes. On the downside, while the formula does stay in place for most of the day, I did notice a tiny bit of fading toward the end of the day, especially in more humid conditions. But for the most part, it holds up really well, and there was no smudging or flaking, even after a sweaty workout session. As for the value, considering it's a high-end product, I'd say it's worth the price if you're looking for a reliable, light, everyday eyeliner. The packaging is sturdy, and the application is smooth. But if you're on a budget, there are definitely other waterproof liners out there that perform similarly at a lower price point. For those who want a comparable product without the higher cost, I'd recommend looking into the Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner or L'Oreal Infallible Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner. These are more affordable alternatives, though they might not offer the same ease of use or smooth glide that the Too Faced liner provides. Now let's talk longevity. The pen itself feels well made, and the liquid formula stays potent throughout its use. As far as the product's shelf life, I found it didn't dry out too quickly, even after weeks of daily use. So you're getting your money's worth, especially if you're someone who uses eyeliner often. I did try to reach out to Too Faced's customer service for a few questions about their product details, but I didn't have direct interaction. That said, Too Faced is generally known for good customer support, so if you run into any issues, you should be taken care of. Overall, this eyeliner is a solid choice for anyone looking for a long-lasting, smudge-proof, and waterproof liquid liner. It's best suited for those who want to maintain a sharp, flawless eye look all day without worrying about touch-ups. Whether you're heading to a long meeting or hitting the gym, this eyeliner can keep up with you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support really helps us bring you more honest, no BS reviews. And before I sign off, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried this eyeliner? How did it hold up for you? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. Thanks so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.